Up until this point in our tutorial, we have been focusing on learning the basic syntax of Java. Now, starting from this video, I want to begin to talk about object-oriented programming side of Java. I didn't mention anything about object-oriented programming in the previous videos because I don't want to throw at you too many concepts at the beginning and confuse you. But at this point, I believe we have learned enough of the basics to start understand some of the object-oriented concepts. Before we dive into the advanced stuff like inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation, I want to first talk about access modifiers in this video. So, access modifiers are keywords that you put in front of your class, methods, and variables, and they're used for access control. There are 4 different types of access modifiers, and I will explain every single one of them to you. So right here, I have created a new project called access modifier, and let's begin. Start from above our class main. Let's create a common block. So this is access modifier. So the first type of modifier is the public modifier. So this is the one that we see most often. Every time we create the new project from the template, they use public class, they use public method, right? And the next one is package private. And the next one is protected. And the last one is private. So basically, public means that your method, your variable, right, can be accessed anywhere within inside of your project. So we say public means that it is visible to all classes everywhere. Next, we have package private. First, let me explain what is a package. So a package for a Java file is basically the folder structure that your Java file resides in. So for example, my main.java file has the package com.company. This means that my main.java file is inside of a folder called company, and this company folder is inside of another folder called com, and they're connected by a dot, and this is my complete package, which is very similar to the path where to find my main Java file inside of my project. If I create another directory inside of the source folder, and that would be another package. And the purpose of a package is for you to better organize your project and group together related classes and interfaces, so that when your project grows larger and larger, if you want to find a specific Java file, you know which package to look for. Now, back onto our package private modifier here. Package private means it is only visible within its own package. Okay, it is only within its own package. So, which means that if I have another file, .java file, within the com.company package, I can have access to package private members inside of this. Okay, so there's one thing to take note of, is that package private, not like other modifiers, is not a Java keyword. If you want to specify something as package private, just don't add a modifier at all. If you have no modifier in front of your variable or method, the Java compiler will default its modifier to package private. So let's say it is no explicit modifier needed. Okay. Now let's talk about protected. Protected is very similar to package private, where it can only be accessed within its own package. But there are some exceptions. So let's first say only visible within its own package, and in addition, it can be accessed by a subclass of its class in another package. Okay, so can be accessed by another subclass of its class, another package. So in other words, if I have a protected method in my main Java file and I have another class in another package, but that class is a subclass of my main class, even though it is another package, it can still access my protected method. I know it sounds complicated, and we haven't talked about subclasses and inheritance, but once we talk about those, you will understand what protected means. So right now, just remember this, and we'll refer back to this when we talk about inheritance. Next is the private, and this is very self-explanatory, where it can only be accessed within its own class, not even the package, just within its own class. So only be accessed within its own class. So can only be. So that's it, guys. These are all 4 types of access modifiers in Java. And in the next video, we're going to talk about how to work with another class and access other member methods. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.